Now for example, this is the first job. I'm going to open in the next URL, and this is the next job. If I think I can do it, then I will do it, but I just left it because that's not my thing. Now this is a C# desktop application, and now you can check it out that I can read all the information on the very page instead of opening on the other page. And if you think I'm not good, then I can left it and I just open the other jobs as well. And I can check it out all other jobs available on the main page by reading everything, and you can go to the next 2 or 3, 4 pages as well, depending upon how much jobs you want at the very moment. Now this is the page I was talking about. Migrate large blogger site to the new WordPress site. WP is for the WordPress, and this is the fixed price job. That means that it's a one-time job, and budget is this, and they are asking for the entry level. Entry level fees is below than the $20. Now these are the details of the client. You can read very carefully. You have to read it everything, and these are the desired skills of the client. Now you can see that the proposal, how many proposals have been sent and how many interviews he has taken. He has taken 0 at the moment, and these are the history of the client, that how much job he has already done on the Upwork, and what are the client is from the United States, and this is the job success rate and how much he spent. It is available here, so you don't need to worry anything, as it is not a scam. Now click on the submit a proposal if you want to submit, and click it. Now since the job is for the entry level, as we already seen, so it is by default on the entry level. You can write down how much money you are going to earn. You may edit it accordingly. For example, if you ask for the 20, you can write down around 18 as well, and how much duration you will take, and you will write down the cover letter here and the additional question. If you remember, I already sent you the details of the cover letter, so you are going to write it. But if you are thinking that you cannot write the cover letter, so you don't need to worry. You need to follow my future video lecture, in which I am going to write down the steps by which you can write down the handsome page. These are the additional questions asked by the client, so you can write down here question depending upon the client, and please be sure that you need to be precise. You don't need to write lengthy essays. Here's another question as well, and there are the limit of the 5,000 words. Choose the file is an option. For example, if you want to send anything related to the project, and then you need to click on the accept and submit it. There's an error right now, so I'm just going to write the dummy content just to show you how this will work for you. I have written everything, and now I just accepted, yes I understand, and then I will continue to submit. And you can cancel it if you want to change anything, or if you do not want to bid on that particular project, so you can cancel it as well. Since I'm just going, I just cut this job, and this is the another job. For example, digital marketing strategist, and now the client is asking for the intermediate level job, and it is hourly job. Intermediate means that the salary of the daily wage should increase from $20 to the $40, and I will click on the submit a proposal. Look, this is the intermediate job, so by default it is on intermediate, and my hourly rate is come by default, as I have already mentioned in my profile. So now he asks for the question, and then you need to accept and submit a proposal. That simple is it. But if you have still any question, then please ask me, as I'm here for you to help you no matter what. Alright, have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.